Hello and welcome to a walk around video of a 1965 Ford Corsair that we have for sale. This car is very much a restoration project, as you can probably see. We have small amounts of rust in the bottom of the wings and in the sills, which we can do a close-up of in a moment. It has been white in the past and has recently been painted with a matte black for some reason. We'll have a quick look at the bottom of the sills now. As you can see, there is a small amount of hole and rust at the bottom of the front wing and the front of the sill. The underside's actually not too bad considering its age. So here we are in the engine bay, 1500 4-cylinder engine. It's got a twin choke carb on it. It does appear to be missing a couple of bits. Well, there's obviously no battery, and I'm told there's no servo for the brakes, so I'm not convinced it would have had one anyway, but that's what the last owner said. And if we can get down so you can read it, made at Ford in Dagenham, even though it's a left-hand drive. But everything's here. It does appear to have had some sort of oily based substance painted around it, which has stopped any rust in the engine bay. But as we said before, the front edge of the bonnet has suffered a little. Engine turns over, but no attempt's been made to start it up. We've just checked it's not seized. Now looking at the inside, as you can see, very much a period piece with a 1960s dash. The seats in good condition, no door cards. They are with the car but just not on it. We'll show you those in a moment, but all the parts are there to put the door cards back in. We'll just open up the back door now. And as you can see, rear seats, similar condition to the front, and on there are all your door cards, door panels, armrests, etc. are all in there with the car. Headlining is in pretty good condition. Just a couple of rips at the very far back edge, as you can see. Coming around to the back, you can see that the boot lid is in quite good condition. Lights and bright work are all there, and the eagle eye view will spot that it is a GT edition. It has a 1500 engine in it. Down this side, similar sort of condition to the other. As you can see, it has a small amount of rust again at the bottom of the front wing, but the door skins and everything look in quite nice condition. Just stand back there so that you can have a good look at that. The bonnet is rusty on the front edge, and if a new one can be found, or a second-hand one, that would be beneficial. So there you have it. The Ford Corsair 1965 left-hand drive. Car is at the moment in Normandy, France, but included in the price will be delivery to Portsmouth, where you can collect it, or we can arrange onward transmission and delivery to you anywhere in the UK, but that would be at an extra cost. With the current situation, unlikely we can get the car back to the UK until mid-May, but welcome any questions on the email address which follows at the end of this video. One further point, we showed you the engine bay. There's no air filter showing on it, but the air filter and the box it comes in are actually in the car, so that is all complete. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions or want to buy the car, please let us know.